MyFitnessPal is a great application to be able to track your calories and to make sure that you are staying well within your calories that has been given to you by your health professional. MyFitnessPal is going to give you the ability to actually follow what you're eating for the day. You don't need to go out and get the premium application to utilize it. Everything I'm going to show you today is just in the free to use application. The reason why we track our calories is to make sure that we're not going above or below where we should be. Your body needs a maintenance set of calories to maintain its weight. Whether you've been directed to go into a surplus or into a deficit, you'll be able to track that if you're doing it correctly by utilizing MyFitnessPal. You open up the application, you want to go through and press more, and then go to edit profile and make sure that you change any details that you do. Also change the units that if you want them to line up differently, like your milliliters and your kilos. From here, select goals. Get to the point where you're able to enter your calories, carbs, and proteins and fats. You'll enter in the calories that have been prescribed for you. Now, if your percentages are slightly different, you can change them so your carbohydrates, proteins, and fats line up as you've been directed. From here, press the back button, then the home button. From here, you're going to select the more button and then proceed down to where it says steps. And I want you to make sure that you've select don't track steps. Now, there are two quick ways to enter your food. You can either press the plus button and then select food. From there, select the meal that you're eating. We're going with breakfast. The easiest way is to use the scan barcode and scan your food. You can manually input what you're eating as well. Once your food is being scanned, it's going to give you a quick breakdown of what's the macros and calories. Then you're going to click the tick sign to input. We're going to show you again, but this time we're going to add the milk. From here, select plus, and then food, and then breakfast. Once you've scanned the milk, you'll need to make a slight adjustment as you are only going to be drinking 60 mils of milk this time round. To save time, you can add foods in at multiple times. The second way of inputting food is to click diary and then proceed with the same process. Once you actually have meals that you've done a few times, you can actually select them from the history, making the process even faster. As you can see here, for lunch, I'm going to be having a shake. I firstly do my protein shake and input, and then I'll press add food, and I'll use the milk that I previously utilized for breakfast, but I'll just make sure that I change the percentage so I have a full serving. So hopefully these tips and tricks will help you utilize MyFitnessPal. The more and more you utilize the application, the easier it's going to be. Remembering, tracking your calories is going to be a vital component in helping you to lose or gain weight.